In this video, we'll go over the bill pay system functionality in the DeltaNet. Now this is the company level bill pay system, so this wouldn't be for an individual agent paying for, an upgrade package, anything like that. This is for the actual company level billing. And so this is a guide that is geared toward admins that would be interacting with that system. So here we are on the admin side of the DeltaNet. Now first and foremost, you can see users that are already set up as billing contacts in the DeltaNet by going down here to Users and then clicking on Users with Billing. Now when this loads up, this will show us every user that is currently set as a billing contact in the DeltaNet for your company, or in this case for a test company. Now, these are all users that have access to the billing system or the bill pay platform. So from here, we can see all these users, we can search them, we can authenticate as those users. Edit will allow us to change a few things about those users, just like the regular users page. The difference is this page is just showing those with billing access. Now also on this page, we get a link to the bill pay system itself, just for convenience, as well as a link to the bill pay tutorial. This is just a PDF tutorial that actually lays out how everything works within the bill pay system. Now in order to set a user as a billing contact, you need to authenticate as that user and then go to their privileges page and set them as a billing contact. So to do that, I'm just going to go to Users and then down to Users. So this will show me every user in the system. From here I can click on Actions and click on Authenticate, or I could just type a name up here. Let's see, we have a user named Office Admin. It's just aptly named. But if we just type their name up here, we can also authenticate this way. So if I click Authenticate, that takes me through to that customer's profile page here. And now while I'm on their profile page, I can verify their email address because that's going to be important here later. So I can see that their public email address is all set. We'll just assume this is the correct one. And now from here, I want to go to their privileges page. So to do that, I can either type privileges right here in this quick actions box, if I spell it correctly. There we go. And you can see it comes up in this drop down, and I can click on that to go through to their privileges page. Or I can go up here and click on the settings gear up in the top right. That'll take me to their settings page, and then I can use the search settings box on that page to bring up a tile to their privileges page. So I'll go into search settings and I'll just type in privileges, or start typing privileges, and you can see it narrows down as I type, and now we have the privileges tile. So if I click there, that's going to take me through to that user's privileges page. And then if I scroll down here, you can see there's an option under individual privileges for billing contact. So if I want to give this user access to the billing platform or the bill pay system, I'll just go down here and select billing contact, scroll down and click on submit. Now if I were to submit this page, the system will then send an automated email to whatever email address is set up as this user's public email address. That email will include information like their username and just instructions to get to and log into the bill pay platform. So I'll go ahead and click submit. Now that makes this user a billing contact, so it will have just kicked that email off. So the idea is that this user would then get that email, go in, sign into the bill pay system for the first time, set their password, and at that point they'll have access to that system. Now keep in mind you can set as many users as you want as billing contacts to give them access to that system. The things that they can do there are they can set up a credit card to be used for auto pay for the company account. They can turn that auto pay on and off for that credit card. They can also go in and they can see past invoices, so they'll be able to see all that information. Now, once this user is set as a billing contact, if I go back to the profile page, you notice that I have an additional widget here for bill pay system. Now it shows right up here at the top, but I could use search sections to bring it up if it wasn't here. But this is just another place where it will give them their usernames, just a matter of convenience because this would have been in that email as well. It gives them a link to that same bill pay tutorial PDF that was on the other page, and then also gives them, again for convenience sake, just a link to the bill pay system login page, so that if they don't have that email or they're logging in way after the fact, they can click here to get to the login page and then use this username to log in, or if they've forgotten their password, they would use this username to request a password reset as well. So there you have it. That is how you can set users up as billing users in the DeltaNet and give them access to the bill pay system so that they can go in and control the company level billing information.